Picture this. You're 22 years old. You just landed your first real job. Money is actually hitting your bank account for the first time in your life. And instead of doing something smart with it, you do what basically every 22-year-old does. You spend it. Not on anything crazy, just life stuff. Rent, food, going out with friends, a few online purchases you definitely didn't need. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you tell yourself, I'll start saving later. I'll figure out investing eventually. I'm young. I've got time. And that's the moment, that quiet, completely reasonable sounding decision. That's where the financial gap between people starts forming. Because here's the thing, nobody sits you down at 22 and explains how money actually works. School doesn't teach it. Most parents don't know it themselves. My name is Jack, and I spend way too much time thinking about the money mistakes young people make before they even realize they're making them. Today, I want to share 3 money rules I genuinely wish someone had told me at 22. Rule number 1. Time is worth more than money. Imagine 2 people. Person A starts investing $200 per month at age 22. Person B waits until 32. Person A ends up with roughly $700,000. Person B ends up with roughly $300,000. Same monthly amount, same return. The only difference is 10 years. Compound interest doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows exponentially. Every year you wait to start doesn't cost you 1 year of growth. It costs you the compounded growth of every single year after that. Start now. Even if it's $50 per month, even if you feel like that amount doesn't matter. Rule number 2. Your lifestyle is a financial decision. Every time your income increases, your spending quietly increases right alongside it. New job, nicer apartment, promotion, nicer car, raise, more dining out. You earn more money every year, but somehow never actually feel financially ahead. When your income increases, increase your savings rate first, not your lifestyle. If you get a $500 raise, direct $250 into savings automatically and keep $250 for lifestyle. You can have a great life, or you can look like you have a great life. Rule number 3. Your biggest financial enemy is yourself. Humans are emotional decision makers pretending to be logical ones. When markets drop, we panic and sell. When everyone around us is spending, we spend too. In 2020, when markets crashed dramatically in March, millions of everyday investors panic sold their portfolios. The people who did nothing, who simply held their investments through the panic, came out ahead. The best investors aren't the smartest people in the room, they're the most emotionally consistent ones. Build systems instead of relying on willpower, automating savings so you never have to decide. Rule 1. Start investing now. Rule 2. Guard your lifestyle. Rule 3. Build systems, not willpower. I didn't know any of this at 22, and it cost me real money, real time, real opportunity. The good news is that wherever you are right now, the second best time to start is today. Which of these 3 rules do you wish you'd learned earlier? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching video.